Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, clear the surface and remove loose paint so the glow pigment bonds. Once cleaned, lightly sand to create tooth. This helps adhesion and reduces peeling. Apply a thin primer coat if surface is porous, because primer evens absorption and boosts glow intensity. Make sure to wear gloves and a respirator. Ventilation matters. Test a small patch on scrap material to confirm charge time and color, and adjust mix ratio if the glow seems weak. You mix and apply with intention. Combine glow pigment into your base at the planned ratio, stirring until uniform so photons distribute evenly. Once mixed, lay down the first thin coat to prevent sagging. This creates a uniform matrix for charging. After the first coat dries, add a second thin coat for depth and longevity. 2 thin layers outperform 1 thick layer. Once done, inspect under normal light to see coverage. Make sure to eliminate runs and feather the edges for a clean transition. You finish confidently. Expose the painted area to a bright light source or UV for several minutes to charge the pigment, because charge level directly affects after-dark brightness. After charging, apply a compatible clear top coat to protect the glow layer from abrasion and moisture. This extends life and preserves color. If you see patchiness, lightly scuff the affected spot, reapply a thin coat, and blend into surrounding paint to avoid a visible seam. Troubleshooting tip: if brightness is low, increase charge duration or add 1 more pigment pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.